Despite women's significant role as energy consumers, women comprise only 20% of the energy sector's labor force overall and are underrepresented in corporate and government leadership roles related to climate policy and practices.
I'm proud of the first, but really I'm proud that I wasn't the last of any of those, of course. More women have filled these positions in the times since. But while getting over a barrier really changes your life, knocking down that barrier really changes the world.
Advances in tech have enabled us to gather and make sense out of very large data sets, and that really helps us to understand what's going on with climate change and to help look at root causes as well as impact. But also, tech helps us to get the message out to people and can influence people's behaviors.
Recite to yourself the mantra that it's about progress, not perfection. As long as you're making progress every day, as long as you're showing up and continuing to be dedicated through your passion and through what fulfills you, that's the goal.
The agriculture industry, like many others, has been driven by technological development and innovation. Growing more crops on less land, using fewer resources is the main focus of this development and innovation.
A lot of the innovations and modernizing of monocultures is a lot of what has driven us to get into the situation we're at, with overuse of fertilizers, with overuse of water and irrigation. And so some of what we drive in terms of innovation and tech is really even mindset shift and what kind of agriculture we want for the future.
We agree with United Nations, UNEP and the United Nations position that access to a healthy environment is a human right. And reducing pollution is therefore not just an ecological issue, but it's also a matter of social justice.
How do we develop and architect the future energy system in a way that's clean, secure, resilient, and in a way that operates totally differently than the current energy system we have today?
To support the dramatic growth of technologies and AI, we have to innovate sustainably and deploy technologies in an environmentally responsible manner.
Diversity drives innovation. And so I'm so thankful that we have these awards, that we have, focused on increasing diversity and promoting the advancement of diverse voices, because your experiences drive your passions. And I feel that my personal and professional experiences helped me begin field building this area of robot-mediated child development.
There's definitely not a better time to actually launch a clean tech company in deep science. I've never seen it as welcoming. And that's because there's unprecedented money flowing into all areas of clean tech, but particularly deep science.
Climate change also has an unequal impact on historically marginalized communities because it is a threat multiplier. What it means is that climate change is going to layer upon existing racist local, state, and federal land use policies, differences in public health, differences in economic accessibility, and social injustices.
And regardless of whether you join us, my message to you is this: we all got to keep breaking down those boxes, breaking down the walls, and certainly lifting up those who come behind us, and that we've all got to be brave and be bold and be fearless.